Hello everyone, welcome back to BST African Electronic Surgery on a weekend Sunday. So we have this kind of job. This is a very urgent job. This is a laptop which is coming from one of our customer, and the laptop came in as no power. It's a, let me see the model. It's a Lenovo T490 i7 8th generation. This is an expensive laptop. Okay, the laptop came in as no power. It's plugged. You can see here. This is the USB-C charging port. We have the port here. When we plug in, we do have the orange light for charging, but the laptop is not turning on, it's not doing anything. We can try to press the power on button here. You see the power on button here. Even if we try to press the power on button, the laptop is not turning on, it's not doing anything. So what can be the problem here? What do you think is the problem? Let's try to get inside this. What do you think is the problem? You know, these laptops with a, let me apply the charger. You know, the laptops with the inbuilt batteries. Because if we have a charging light, that means the main 19 volts power rail is present, or 3.3 is present, but for some reason the laptop is not turning on. So we might have like a frozen E.C chip. It's possible. It's very possible. So I need to open this quickly and try to find out what is the problem. How do we get inside this? How do we get? We have some clips here. Now the laptop looks expensive based on the specification that it is an i7 8th gen. I believe this is an expensive laptop. I think the back cover is supposed to come out on many Lenovo laptops. We have a SIM tray here. This is classic. Let's check out the SIM tray. See this SIM tray? You can put a line in. This is a classic motherboard. Wow. Just wow. Now we're inside our laptop. So what we can check here, now we're inside our laptop. So what we can check, let's check the battery voltage. Let's start on the battery. Do you have any voltage on the battery? Zero point 0 point something. Okay. Why? No, we have 11.4. So probably I'm checking on the wrong pins. We do have 11.4, meaning our battery is good. Yeah, 11.4, you can see on the screen. So we don't have problem with the battery. So let's check the main power rail. We must have that 11 point something volts. $11.43, you can see on the screen. Even here. What about 3.3? We do have those coils here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So don't have 3.3. Let's plug the charger. We have the light. You can see the light. We must have 3.3. Where we can check 3.3. We do have 3.3. Check on the screen. On this coil, 3.3. On this one, 5 volts. Okay. Let's unplug the charger. Let's unplug the main battery. Let's unplug the BIOS battery. Let's short pins on the BIOS battery. Let's plug back the BIOS battery. Let's plug the main battery. Let's plug the charger. We still have orange light. Let's try to power it on. Who knows, maybe that can solve the problem. Who knows? On. On. I can see the fan spinning. We reset the BIOS, so we have to be patient. On. I can see the backlight on the keyboard. Maybe we have a low battery. Why? On. On. And it goes off. So why? Why? I think we need to charge the battery a little bit. Maybe the battery is too low. Maybe the battery is too low. No, what that sound? Let's wait. I hear fan sound here. It's working. I can't believe. Check. Press press F escape to continue. It's working. Really? Yeah, it's loading. I can see this small sign that that means it's using Windows 11. I was about to say that we have a highly discharged battery. It's working fine. You can see the charging sign. Like usual, Sunday repairs, they are always blessed. So what you can do, I'll stop this video, I'll put all the screws together. But if you have such kind of laptop and it's charging but you're not turning on, first apply the basics. Try to take out the main battery, reset the BIOS. Probably that can solve the problem. So don't forget to share our videos to a beloved one. Also subscribe and turn on the notification bell for future updates. You know, I'm disappointed when I was checking on on the the YouTube channel, on the channel. It's like a lot of people, they are just watching and leave the channel without subscribing. The percentage of people who are just coming to the channel and watch the video and just leave without subscribing is much higher as compared to those who have subscribed to the channel. It's like 45% subscribe to the channel and they are watching videos, and 55% they are just watching and go. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, and see you on the next one. Bye.